What happens if you swallow a marble? Scary things you should know. Some children are successful in pulling out the eyes of their teddy bears and swallowing them like candies. Don't be panic. In 90% of case non-poisonous glass marble pass through the gastrointestinal tract without harming it. But sometimes if it enters in trachea causes massive coughing, chest pain, blockage, and even death. What happens if you swallow a marble? Infants and toddlers, especially those between 6 months to 3 years, are very curious about the things they see around them. Smooth and shiny marble glides easily in their esophagus and also from the stomach to the intestine without any harm. What to do if you swallow a marble? Marble is mostly made of smooth glass. Pain in the neck, chest, and throat is a big sign that marble glides to air passage instead of the stomach. What should I do while waiting for the ambulance? The man who engulfs the marble should not eat or drink until the doctor permits him. One important thing to remember is not to try his vomit. This could lead to choking or block the air passage. What to expect in the emergency room? An X-ray may be taken that helps the doctor to know the accurate position of the marble. In some cases, the doctor advises a barium swallow test. CT scan may be done. Swallowing marble treatment. Marble evacuation. It passes on its own in 24 to 48 hours. This technique is useful to remove the object from the esophagus, stomach, and small intestine. What happens if you eat a marble of big size? Marbles are non-poisonous and their smooth surface does not harm infants. But marbles show choking hazards, so never give them to infants when they are alone. What happens if you swallow a metal marble? It is also round and smooth but can injure the thin, delicate wall of the food pipe. It may cause bleeding in the middle cavity of the chest and mediastinum. Can you die from swallowing a marble? As marbles are smooth, spherical, and inert, there is no risk of cuts or bleeding. But choking hazards can be life-threatening. Is it safe to swallow a marble? Assuming the marble of glass is non-toxic, they are not life-threatening. But try to avoid taking it into the mouth because it is slippery and easily enters your food pipe. How long does it take place to pass a swallowed marble? Swallowing marble either by small children or adults is not very dangerous if it enters the stomach. From here they exit with stool, and all this process takes 24 hours to 48 hours. Frequently asked questions, facts. Can an adult swallow a marble? Small rounded marbles are least likely to cause complications when swallowed. Called for a doctor to safely evacuate this foreign body. How do you know if your child is stuck in esophagus? If you are not in your room and suddenly saw some symptoms, it will tell you that your kid is choking. Unable to talk or speak. Bottom lines. In America, it is said that 90% of patients with foreign body ingestion are children between 6 months to 3 years. Choking hazards are always alarming, and many patients suffer a lot before the medical emergency.